So, last week I told you about my collaboration with the Chambre d'Agriculture to create an awesome Luxembourg Schmier using all locally grown products. And that I'll be presenting that Schmier on Sunday, July 5th at the Foire Agricole in Edinburgh. Today, I want to show you what exactly went into the concoction, creation, and preparation of that Schmier. It was equal parts passion, diligence, ingenuity, flair for experimentation, as well as an openness to innovation. I admit, I stumbled at first, but I kept at it. And what I came up with, I call the Alles Gute Schmier. Because boy, oh boy, it's all good. And it's made with products from all over Luxembourg. Potatobread, beef pastrami from the Pois de Terroir, mustard, cheese, mixed greens. You can find all the producers in this video's description. Voila, the Alles Gute Schmier. Psych! You gotta come to the Foire Agricole in Edinburgh if you want to taste the Alles Gute Schmier. Finally, last week I asked you to share your favorite Schmier recipes to win 2 tickets to the Foire Agricole. And here are the winners. Thanks to everyone who participated, and thanks for joining me. I hope to see you at the Foire Agricole in Edinburgh on Sunday. Addy ciao, tip top.